so there you have it. My whole refrigerator is spotless. All of the jars are degunked. Looks so empty. I gotta go food shopping now because I literally threw everything out. And everything's lined. The drawers are all lined, so the next time I clean it out, I just have to pull the liner off, and makes it so much easier. I had it like that the last time, but the shelves were really bad because I didn't wipe them in a while. So, yep, so that's my simple Saturday tip on how to keep your refrigerator clean. Or it makes it much easier to clean when you do it. And the next thing is to clean out this freezer. Oh, see all the Haagen-Dazs, 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 Haagen-Dazs. My husband eats a pint of Haagen-Dazs every night, no joke. Either with soda, root beer or cream, in a float, or just the whole pint. So, God forbid there's no ice, and he can't eat Turkey Hill. He won't eat Breyers. It has to be Haagen-Dazs. So, he works hard. He can have whatever he wants. Alright, everybody, so that was my simple Saturday tip on how to clean your refrigerator real simple by lining the shelves, and then when you are doing it, you just have to rip it off, and then the base of it is clean. Alright, everybody, have a great day. Please subscribe. Please like my video. And hit that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming up. I'll be doing videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, and then the simple Saturday tips. Alright? Thanks for watching. Everybody have a great weekend, and have a happy Easter. Bye, everyone.